And then we'll hop in the front seat. Okay. So the first thing you notice when you step inside the new Murano is that it feels really, really cool and expressive and premium. There's little detail features, like there's a, underlighting in this area, this element of this soft touch plastic. You've got nice leather wrapped surfaces, soft and premium feel. New things as subtle as the window switches are all new and have like a newly stylish aspect to them. So you get in the car, it feels new, feels premium.